friends, it's Kathy again, and we're going to be doing a video for the October 2020 Ipsy Ultimate Bag box. So before we begin, I know that it's after October, but I got my box on October 31st, so I'm trying to get this video out as soon as possible. So let's talk about Ipsy. They have 3 tiers. It's a beauty subscription service. They have the Ipsy Glam bag for $12. They have the Ipsy Plus for $25. And this big bad boy is $50 a month. So here's what you get in the mail. And let's kind of peek in here and let's see what we got. And let's take a peek. And as you can see, it says Discover Yourself. And there you are. Just a little peek, not too much. So you get a little card and it says Your Magic. This is the October 2020, right here you are. And inside, doesn't have anything, you know, typically what's in the box. It's just a little guide that's in here. It's kind of just, you know, just a little irritating that you don't get the little, you know, card with the stuff that's in your box. And I really like to have that, you know, that description and the prices. So if I find them, I'll just let you know. So first off you get is a beautiful makeup bag. This is a nice one. It has the Your Magic. And then on the back side it has like the Zodiac, but it's all, you know, makeup oriented. Has a nice zipper, really nice big deep thing in here. So you can use this for whatever you need. And it has like the little, you know, moon and heart right here on the pull. But this is a nice bag. I'm not thrilled with it, but I think I could do a lot with it. And it has a nice inside. So I'm all good with that. I'm doing good with that. So let's go to let's see what we've got in here. First up we have is Yensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. There we are. And this is $38. So, and it has 8 super oils. And here's what the actual packaging looks like. Has that green tone to it, has a little pump on it. Ooh, smells like, I don't know what it smells like. I'll figure it out. But it has 8 oils. It has CBD oil, black sesame seed oil, black cumin, china seed, broccoli, carrot, grapeseed, and flaxseed oil. So pretty good. And it has no paraffin, sulfates, mineral oil, phthalates, or animal cruelty. So as I said, this one is $38. And you know what? CBD oil is coming out on a lot of stuff and it is really good for you. And this is not the stuff that makes you, you know, high or anything like that. So don't even worry about that. So next up we have is from Catherine Maldorano. Let's see what this is. Let's see. I have no idea. It says Romance de Provence. Oh, it's a, it is a perfume. I think, if you can get it opened up. I think, oh, I don't know what it is. But here is the packaging. I can't open this up. It's kind of weird. I think you need to, I don't know, this is going to be something that's going to test me. So it looks like this is a perfume. Doesn't, it looks like it's all sealed, so that's a good thing. I like it when their security closed up as that. Then we have is Super Voluminous, and this is from Air Repair, Super Hydrating Eye Cream. And let's see what we got. Oh, and Catherine Medrano, we don't have a price. This is, let's see here. Doesn't say. And, oh, this is $24.50. This is security packaging, which they're driving me nuts with this. But you know what? I'm glad, so that way you know it hasn't been used in, returned and all that other fun stuff. Because you know, in other boxes, there's been that issue of, you know, stuff being pre-swatched or opened and have a hair in it and just nasty stuff. So let me see if I can get this on. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, I got it open. So it has a nice little squirter on the top, and let's see, comes off really nice, controlled, and absorbs really well, and doesn't have a smell, especially since, you know, it's going to be near your face for a long period of time. And you know what? I love eye creams, so this is going to be a keeper for me. Next up I have is from We Are Fluid, and this is a nail polish, and this is in the color Bon Sur, and I have no clue. I don't know this brand, but it's in the little, you know, safety wrap, so that's not bad. Then we have, oh, another one, and this is in We Are Fluid, and this is in the color Dapper. It kind of looks like a goldy, coppery kind of color. Let's see if I can get that in there. Not too bad. Next up we have is Naked, and this is from Naked Cosmetics, and this is, let's see what this is. For external use only. Let's open it up. Here's the packaging. Let me see if I can, there's no telltale sign of what's in here. Ooh, this might be interesting. This is special edition 4-piece pigment collection. Right there, there's 4 different colors in them. Let me see if I can open this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I finally got them open, and we've got 4 individual eyeshadow pigments, loose powder, you know, eyeshadow. So we've got from Naked Cosmetics. This is Blushing Bronze number BB03 pigment. There is no name, and this is really cute. Look at this. That's a really nice color. And it's like a kind of a pinky rosy kind of color, but a little deep on the side. And then next up we have is Sierra Nevada SN-02, and this one is a nice kind of like a taupey kind of golden color. And there's 1.5 grams in each one of these pots, so really nice. And then next up we have is Blushing Bronze BB-05 pigment, and this one, let me show you this, and this is kind of like a dark taupey kind of color, more on the gray side, which would be really pretty for some accent colors. Kind of a green tone to it as well, so that's nice. Then we have, last but not least, we have Rainforest RF-01. And this is all from Naked Cosmetics. And this is a really nice kind of like a beigey kind of color. Let me see if you can get that in there. So that's really pretty as well. So those are nice, you know, especially if you have, these would be great to break up and give as gifts. I think that's just absolutely fabulous. And then we have Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion right here, and this is 58 bucks. So let's see if it has the little safety goober, which I'm really happy with, and it has like the little spout right here, so you can just squirt it out and use a little of it. When you use these, make sure to do a little test and to only do it a couple times a week and read the directions, because if you ever have a reaction, believe me, it is not pleasant. I have encountered that, and it is not fun. So make sure to always test, you know, when you do with these, because you never know how your skin's going to react. Next up I have is from Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty. And here it is. This is $27, and I have done several videos on other colors, but I don't think I've done it on this one. This is their Emerald Obsessions. Look at that. Really pretty. And then has a nice mirror, but if you like emerald colors and all that, this is it for you. And let me do a couple swatches. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm going to do some of these colors. Whoa, look at that. Let me put on the back of my hand. Let me see. Look at that pigmentation. That is beautiful. And such a nice shimmer. There's no patchiness. There's no fallout. This is a keeper for me. Then we have from Kiss and Smink Lip Crayon in the color Tamarick, I believe. Looks like a blue, but let me get it out of the packaging here, which, you know, they're getting overdrive with this, but you know what, I'm glad they do, but it gets me to my last end with all, trying to get all these packaging open just to do a swatch. But you know what, it's worth the, you know, because you never know what's going on out there, and especially with some of these boxes, you know, I'm sure you've all heard, you know, that and seen, you know, sometimes they have stuff that's been returned or has been swatched or used or has hair in it or something like that. So anyways, I didn't get all the packaging off, but I got the tip off, and here is the top of it. And let me see the color. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. That is really pretty. And I don't have a price for this, but that is a beautiful, like kind of like a really nice tamarick color, which is interesting because that's what it looks like. And I think it'd be really pretty. And it's creamy. And I think this would be great for, you know, like, you know, your eyelids and stuff like that for an eyeshadow. So that's a really good one. And then we've got from Benefit, from the Balm, Wheel powder, and this is Clean Beauty, and let's see what this is. And this is a blush. Let me see if I can open it up. So here's what the little guy looks like, and open it up, and it has a little guy on it again, and then it has a little bit of a sample. It has a nice size pan. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. That is a pretty, let's see. Ooh, that is nice. It has like a really nice pink with a little bit of a sheen to it. So this is something I'm going to keep. The balm is either hit or miss for me, so I like this. I'm liking this a lot. And then last but not least is my favorite is Glow Recipe. I love this. This is the Watermelon Pore Tight Toner. So let's open it up. Let me, oh, by the way, let me show it to you. And then get it out of the little box. I know, I did a whole video on my glow favorites and my routine. So here it is. Look at that. This is really nice. Let me open it up and see. It has a little safety cap on it. And this is the Watermelon Glow, which you know means it's watermelon, so I'm a happy camper. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know how your box went, and if we're twins, and you know what? Have a great one, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.